In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your chart's horizontal axis on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings and how to make your axis labels clear, readable, and tailored to your data. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right of the page, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the list of apps, choose Google Sheets to open the Sheets homepage. Now open the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want to adjust. If you have multiple tabs or files, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so the changes apply to the correct chart. Click directly on your chart to select it. You'll see a small menu in the chart's corner with 3 vertical dots. Click those dots to reveal more options, then choose Edit Chart. This opens the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen, which is where most of your customization happens. In the Chart Editor, switch to the Customize tab. This tab groups all the styling controls you need. Look for the section labeled Horizontal Axis and click it to expand the options. Everything we're about to change affects the labels that run along the bottom of your chart. First, choose the label font. Pick a font that's easy to read and consistent with the rest of your document. Simple, clean fonts usually work best, especially when you have many labels. Next, set the label font size. Increase it if your labels are hard to see or if you'll be presenting on a large screen. Decrease it if labels are overlapping or getting cut off. Aim for a size that keeps every label legible without crowding the chart. Then choose the label format. You can make labels bold to emphasize them or italicize them for a subtle distinction. Use these sparingly. Bold is helpful when your chart has lots of visual elements competing for attention. After that, select the text color. High contrast is key here. Dark text on a light background, or light text on a dark background, ensures your audience can read the labels at a glance. Match your color to your theme, but always prioritize readability. Finally, if your data tells a clearer story in the opposite order, like showing the most recent category first, toggle Reverse Axis Order. This flips the horizontal axis so your categories run in the reverse direction. All changes apply instantly, so take a moment to scan your chart and confirm everything looks balanced. That's it. Your horizontal axis is now customized and presentation ready.